Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico and today we're going to make one of my favorite drinks of all time. This is the Irish coffee. The muscovado sugar comes through, giving that nice flavor of molasses, and the cream tastes exactly like cream. Don't forget guys, if you are liking all these recipes, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe because it's really going to help with the channel. So, the very first instance of coffee and alcohol being mixed together was actually here in Sweden with a drink called the Café Cask. However, that was nasty. It didn't actually get refined until 1943 in an airport in Limerick where the Irish coffee was born. So let's get into making this very simple drink, which people often make wrong. Okay, so we got our two little toddy glasses, which are usually used to make like hot toddies and stuff like that, but we're gonna make Irish coffees in them today. So first thing you gotta do, you gotta brew some nice coffee. So we got a little French press here, some nice hot water. And you wanna let that brew. Now you should have very rich, strong coffee for this. So we've got some brown sugar, which we've made into a nice little syrup. Now, the whiskey that we're choosing is Powers Gold Label, which is a beautiful Irish whiskey. Unfortunately, we can't get the true Powers John Lane here in Sweden. If you can get hold of that, please use it. It makes the best Irish coffee. But we're gonna use this one because it's also fantastic. And you know what that magic number is of 45? Good Irish whiskey. Jameson's also works fantastic in this. If you've not made a syrup, you want roughly around 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or 10 ml of your brown sugar syrup. The only reason I make a syrup is because if you were to put the brown sugar directly in, we're gonna have to stir. We're gonna have to wait for it to dissolve. This way, my sugar's already dissolved. So we want 10 ml per drink. I've literally just made this syrup and that bottle is hotter than hell. That's so hot. Next up. God.
Next up.
So next up, we're gonna wait for the coffee to brew a little bit more, but we're gonna take our heavy cream. We like to have a nice light whip on this cream, so we're just gonna stick it into a nice little jar, pour it in. Only gonna need about that much. I hate this morning. So once you get it in a nice little jar, just give it a little whip. If you listen to it, you can start to like hear it thicken up. Nice. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah. And what you're looking for is that nice, thick, whipped consistency like that, because that's just gonna sit nicely on top of the drink. Let's add the coffee. Give yourself a little French press. Ooh. Now top up your glasses with the coffee. So now, just on the back of the spoon, just pour that in. You can use that pre-bought canned whipped cream, but why would you when you can do that? Now to garnish, you can garnish as is like this. You can give a little sprinkle of cinnamon like that if you want. You could even break up a coffee bean and sprinkle that on top. Just go crazy and enjoy yourself. But there we go, guys. The Irish coffee. Can I try it? Yes. Now you see, that's exactly what you're looking for. Good strong coffee with that nice thick whip on top. That's an Irish coffee, guys. That's perfect. Wow. Hello, you, mister. That is delicious. That's some great Irish whiskey there. Super sweet, super buttery, caramelly. You know what we say here, experiment, make your drinks, and show us yours. That's the Irish coffee. You need to make this now. That is banging, bro. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and I'm Rico, and that was the Irish coffee.